media, and I hope that you must have seen Miko to my best friend part 1 on my channel. Today we are going to unbox many more features of Miko 2. So let's do it. I'm getting bored now. Let's listen to some stories from Miko. Which story should we listen? Listen this.
The Donkey and the Cotton. There once lived a salt merchant. He had a donkey for his assistance every morning. He would load a sack of salt on the donkey and go to the nearby town to sell it. On the way, they had to walk across a pond. One day, while crossing the pond, the donkey thought, "Ooh, this load is so heavy that I become exhausted very soon. I wish I could get some of this load taken off my back." Just then the donkey tripped and fell into the water. Both the donkey and the
Let's play tic-tac-toe now. Tic-tac-toe. I will choose X. Yes. And I win. Yeah, I won. What should we do now? What should I do now? Let's do Mikoji's. Which action will he do now? Cry. I think he Maria.
Which action is this?
Now what should we do? Now let's do animal sounds.
animal sounds.
Let's do a crocodile. Now let's do some question and answer. When is Independence Day celebrated?
Independence Day occurred on Thursday, the 15th of August, 2019.
Can you tell me something more?
Let's dance now. Please dance, Miko.
Stop dancing, Miko.
Huh?
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
The Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi.
Great. Which is the national anthem of India, Miko?
What is the national anthem of India?
Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India.
Yes.
Can you sing it?
Hello Miko.
Please sing.
Can you please sing it?
Currently playing If You're Happy and You Know, rhyme for you.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.